This is Project Mirador, an ECD custom Defender 110 soft top, built to our client's exact specifications. Project Mirador is painted in full gloss Arlis blue with black accents. Project Mirador sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Defender 110 soft top features a classic style front bumper with 2 LED spotlights and 4 LED spotlights mounted on top. On the inside, Project Mirador features an Evander wooden steering wheel with Mole bomber gauges, Corbeau trail cats front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in single vertical diamond Garrett Bellissimo Anise leather stitched together in nutmeg. This Defender 110 soft top is powered by our GM 6.2-litre V8 engine with 6-speed auto transmission. This Defender 110 soft top also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen radio with focal premium sound and access to USB connection.